Here we go, fourth graders. Today I'm going to teach you how to write a conclusion for an informational paragraph, or informational writing. So I'm on the informational graphic organizer. Remember that mine's about football. This one is blank. But I'm going to show you what you can put in your conclusion. So mine's about football, so I could say one of two things. I could say, I hope you enjoyed learning about, and then I can put football in there. Or I could say something like, now you have learned about, and I have football. So either one of those sentence starters would work for your conclusion. Your conclusion sentence just wraps things up, and it just ties everything together. So it tells the reader what they should have gotten from your writing. So again, your sentence starters could be, I hope you enjoyed learning about blank, or now you have learned about